how to check watch history on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see a history of the reels that you've watched on Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up Instagram, then navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom menu. Once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the settings, and then in the settings, select your activity. Once you get into your activity, just scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Watch History. If you don't have the Watch History option, this is a new feature, so it may not have been rolled out to you yet, but you can try to get it sooner by updating Instagram on your Android or iPhone. So open up the Google Play Store on an Android or Samsung phone. On an iPhone, open up the App Store, and then what you want to do is just search Instagram, and where mine says open, if there's an update available, it will say update. So go ahead and update Instagram. Make sure you have the latest version, and then when you go back to watch history, you should have watch history, where then you can scroll through and see a full history of all the reels that you've watched on Instagram for the past 30 days. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.